This is Arfan, a subscriber I met up with in LA last weekend for the Social Animal Subscriber Challenge to help him feel more at ease talking to anyone. Talking to people is daunting for everyone, but anyone can do it, and as you'll see in this video, raising your self-awareness is usually the first step. Enjoy.
Excuse me? You look really pretty. Are you grandma?
Yeah.
I'm Arfan, I'm 22 years old. Where I grew up, it's not very common to people to socialize like that.
Where did you grow up?
I grew up in Myanmar, Burma. To be honest, when I first came here, it was really hard for me because my English was like really bad. I would not say my English is really good right now, but it was really bad, worse than right now. And especially the friends I hang out with, they're really scared to talk to people. We only socialize within our groups. We don't talk to new people. I'm here to socialize as many people as I can. I realize that it's not rocket science.
Yeah.
And it's okay to talk to people. Start. Excuse me? Excuse me? Excuse me? Oh, I just thought you look really pretty. I love your style.
Hey, thanks.
Yo, come. Are you from around here?
Kind of.
What, are you just shopping around here? So, what's your plan for today?
Meet my husband for lunch.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, I just want to compliment you.
I appreciate that. You made my day.
Have a good day. Excuse me? I like your tattoos.
Thank you.
Are you waiting for someone?
No, I'm doing some Mother's Day shopping.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Are you from around here?
No, just visiting.
Oh, from where?
I'm from actually Northern California.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
How long are you going to be staying here?
Oh, just until Monday.
Just until Monday?
Yeah.
Oh. So, where have you been visiting?
Oh, just the LA area.
Oh, nice.
I don't know, Santa Monica for today.
Do you have any plans tonight?
Yeah, hang out with my mom.
Oh,
Yeah.
you here with your mom?
Yeah, for Mother's Day.
Are you single by any chance?
I'm not.
Oh, you're not?
I'm not.
Okay.
Sorry.
Yeah, I really like your style and everything.
Oh,
Just
nice.
take it as go.
Nice
Have a good
to
day.
meet you.
But she was very sweet. I first opened with her tattoos. They're really nice. I genuinely like it.
So first I want to say, don't use the word open.
Oh.
Just say you said that. You know, like you don't need. You know, earlier you said this is not rocket science. So you don't need new words. Okay. I just said that. I talked to her. I said this. Like open, it sounds like you're using like specific vocabulary, which I think makes it harder than it seemed, and kind of like is a bit dehumanizing. So just say, okay, I said this. I said that.
That's really good
words.
point. Good point. Excuse me? Oh, I just thought you two look really pretty.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Are you from around here?
No,
Where are you from?
East Coast.
Oh, you just visiting here?
Yeah.
Where are you from? I mean, like, do you live around here right now? Or-
We're visiting some of our friends.
How long are you gonna be here?
Not sure yet. We're just here.
Oh, nice.
There are some Where are you from? Really nice.
I live around here, but I'm actually from Myanmar. Have you heard of it? Yeah, it's Burma.
Yeah.
I'm from New York, East Coast.
You think I'm from New York?
Yeah, no? Where are you from?
She's from New York.
Oh, okay.
I'm
What's
from
your name?
Maryland.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
What's your name? Arfan, nice to meet you. I already got vaccinated, so don't worry.
Oh, me too.
Yeah?
Yeah, we're just going to the bathroom.
Yeah. Oh, we should hang out sometimes if you're gonna be around in this place.
Sounds good.
If you want to text me?
Sure. Here, you can just put it in that
Sure.
way.
I like your nails, by the way.
Thank you.
I'm gonna text, okay? You wanna text me your name?
Love you too. Bye.
Are you talking to your mom?
My dad.
Oh. So how is New York?
Yeah. Oh, I love New York.
I'm going to New York in like next month. I'm visiting there.
What part?
Like New York.
City?
Yeah, New York City.
Cool.
Yeah. But it was nice meeting you.
Nice to meet you.
Have a good day. Are you guys doing TikTok?
We're trying.
Yeah. You guys seem really. Do you usually take it by yourself?
Yeah.
Are you do like TikTok famous or something?
No.
No, just starting out.
Yeah, I was just doing it for fun. Shuffle. It's like
Shuffle?
footwork, yeah.
Oh yeah, I first learned my shuffle around 13 with the YouTube videos.
You know shuffle? Let's see it.
I'm not the best, man.
Come on, Running Man. Hey, yeah, there you go.
So, are you guys from around here?
Well, no, not really. We were both live a little.
Are you sisters?
No.
Oh, you two look so cute.
Oh, thank
Like,
you.
I thought you were like models, but TikTok models maybe.
Yeah. We actually, though, we're on a really tight time crunch.
Oh, okay.
Would you mind if we, like,
Sure.
kept creating?
Yeah.
Cool.
It was nice to meet you.
Oh, yeah. But I was wondering if I can get your number. Maybe we can hang out sometimes.
I actually have a boyfriend. I'm
Oh, really?
Sorry. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Anyways,
Thanks. Nice to meet you.
take care. I think I talk way too much than I should. I should have stopped talking and I should just interact, you know? And I didn't have any topics to talk anymore, so I just went for like really, you know.
Try to like slow down and relax. You know, like, for example, when you talk to me, you're not talking fast. You know,
Yeah.
you're not so worried from what you know. You're just like, hey, what's going on? You know, I try to like
Slow?
be more present. You know.
Hello. Hello. How are you? I really like your dog. It's so cute. Are you from around here? Are you just visiting?
Yeah.
Oh, I think you're really cute. Are you her mom?
Yeah.
Oh, are you just visiting? Are you grandma?
Yeah.
Oh, nice to meet you.
Thank you. You
You're welcome. Where are you from?
too. Toronto, Canada.
Oh, you just visiting?
Kind of.
How long?
A couple of months for the lockdown to go.
Oh, nice. Are you single by any chance?
No, I'm not.
Oh, you're in a relationship? Yeah, I think you're really pretty. I think you got the prettiness from her. But anyways, have a good day. Bye. What's your name? Sorry? Are you from around here? Where are you from?
Korea.
Korea?
Yeah.
I'm from Myanmar. So are you studying here? International student?
I'm just traveling around.
Oh, actually I'm international student. I'm studying here, yeah. So are you, like, how long are you going to be in LA?
I'm gonna be in Santa Monica for about 2 days, then I'm looking for Seattle.
Oh, okay. Are you going to New York too?
Yeah.
When? I'm actually visiting New York next month. Can you guess how I am?
22.
Yeah, you're really good at guessing. Yeah. But yeah, I would love to go get boba or something like that with you sometimes. And sorry?
I like boba.
You like boba? You can text me if you want.
Yeah, sure. But
323?
this one, right?
Yeah.
And
Just call me. And I'll text you my name. Yeah. Nice to meet you. Bye. Are you two like twins?
No, we're not.
Really? Are you two sisters?
Basically,
You look really like twins. I thought you guys are twins. Are you from around here? Where are you from? Oh, just visiting here? So I was gonna use that pickup line, like, you're the only 10 I see, but I see 2, so I have to give 5. So you just visiting here?
yeah.
Yeah, 5 out of 5, 5 out of 5. Does it work?
It works. Fair enough.
What's your name? What are your plans for today?
Friends here, though.
Oh,
Yeah.
they date you today?
Huh?
They date you today, your friends?
No, they're in the hotel.
Oh,
They wanted to come here. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, so you ditched them.
Yeah, we did stuff, basically. But they're real well. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
How old are you guys?
How old do you think we are?
45? Okay. 22? 20? I think you guys are both over 21 though, otherwise you wouldn't come here. Am I wrong?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
18?
No. I'm 21.
Oh,
I'm
okay.
20.
Oh, okay. So you guys are actually leaving tonight?
We're leaving tomorrow.
Oh, okay. But yeah, it was nice meeting you. You two are really cute, like. Yeah, just have a good day. They're really responsive and everything, but they're not from here. They're actually leaving tomorrow, so I didn't pursue anymore further. Yeah. Excuse me? Oh, I just thought you looked really pretty.
Oh, thank you.
Welcome. Are you from around here?
No, I'm not.
Where are you from?
Oregon.
Oh, you just visited?
Yeah, me too.
Is it your friends?
Yeah.
Hi. You all look beautiful.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Have a good one.
Okay.
Oh.
Okay, have a good day.
So you came and said you're very cute, and then you said like, where are you from? Okay, like
Why did you ask where are you from?
Basically, the question is like, why are you saying what you're saying? Are you saying what you're saying because it makes sense in the moment, or are you saying what you're saying to like because you're anxious and you're trying to like make conversation? The problem is when you say something that is not really in sync with the moment, people feel it, right? So like you ask questions, but it's like, why is he asking me? You know, it doesn't really fit the moment.
Hey, how are you? How's the drink?
Sorry?
How's the drink?
My break?
No, the drink.
Oh, the drink. Oh, it's great.
It's great. What did you get? Matcha?
Yeah, I got it from Alfred's. It's like all.
Oh, over there.
Yeah.
So, what you doing right now? Just chilling here?
Yeah, I'm on
Can I
break.
sit with you for a second? Oh, you work here?
No, I don't work here. I work at a store down there.
Oh, okay.
So I'm
Yeah,
on break
I thought you
right
looked really nice and just
thank
wanted to say hi. Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome. What's your name? Can I sit with you for a second?
Sure. Why not?
So, I'm actually an international student.
Oh.
Yeah.
From
so
where?
I'm from Myanmar, you know?
Oh, yeah,
Burma?
Myanmar?
You
Yeah,
know
of
it?
course I do. I actually worked at a refugee camp
Oh, really?
in Thailand. It was a Burmese refugee camp.
So you went there?
Yeah.
Oh, that's so cool.
Uh-huh.
I'll have to take you out sometime, like go out, hang out sometimes.
Oh,
you look
like-
really pretty.
Oh, thank you.
I love your eyes, yeah.
Thank you. That's so sweet.
Do you want to exchange numbers? Or?
I have a boyfriend.
Oh,
actually.
okay. He doesn't let you have friends, or?
Of course, yeah, of course he lets me have friends,
Oh,
but it
he's
sounded
jealous
like he
type?
had different intentions.
Oh, okay. Yeah. But yeah, it was nice meeting you.
Nice to meet
yeah.
you as well.
Have a good day.
Nice to meet you.
Take care.
Thank you. You too.
I was a little bit still anxious, but I used your advice. I tried to sit with her.
Yeah.
And I would never do it. I would never think it is like,
Yeah.
okay to sit with another person. But I think she feels a little bit more comfortable after
Yeah.
I sit with her.
4 or 5.
Hi, how you guys doing?
Hey.
I just thought you look really pretty. You guys look.
Thank you.
Are you guys from around here?
Yeah,
Where are you from?
from Germany.
Oh, really?
So it's gonna be around 4 or 5, and then we're probably gonna like come here. Yeah. But let me kind of do a road, and then like.
Actually, I just thought you look really pretty. Do you think I can get your number? Like hang out sometimes?
Boyfriend. I'm so
Oh, really?
sorry. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Are you all from Germany or?
Yeah, kind of. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah, just take it as a compliment. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Have a good day. Yeah, I think I made the same mistakes. I asked them like, where are you guys from? Yeah. Yeah, I have to be present at the moment.
You ask them, are you from around here? That question is irrelevant. It's just because you didn't know what to say, so you just like said that, and so you're not present, right? So it's like you're trying to dance with someone, but instead of dancing to the music of the moment, you're just doing some weird moves that you know how to do, but they don't fit the music. What matters is not that it didn't work out. What matters is that you were not able to express yourself like freely. That's the problem.
I need to start talking about what is happening right now, rather than interview questions.
But the thing is, you still went for it. It's good. This is an iteration process. Obviously, you're not gonna this is not like a light switch that you're gonna press and it's gonna change, right? Like it's normal. Like it's part of the process. You were a bit anxious about it and you went for it, and like that's what matters.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's the first step.
Thank you.
Hey, how you doing?
What's up?
I thought you looked pretty.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Are you from here? Are you from around here?
Kind of. Not really.
Well, how is your Saturday going?
Right now we're going back to our
Telly?
hotel.
Oh, okay. Are you just visiting? Two of you?
Yeah,
Are you
I
friends?
Yeah,
I like your
from
tattoos.
Florida. Thank you.
Oh, nice. Miami?
Yeah, sorry, I just cannot miss my Uber.
Oh,
I
okay.
gotta
So,
go.
have a good day.
Have a good one.
Yeah, I still make the same mistake, but
What is the mistake?
where are you guys from?
Are you guys what?
Are you guys from here?
Yeah, because that's
Yeah, but after that, I quickly realized.
that's your automatism. Like you
Yeah,
just say
that's
it,
like my first.
you're like autopilot.
Yeah.
And so if you're on autopilot, you're not present. You know.
But I quickly realized that I'm making the same mistake, and I like.
But it's good. It's
How
good.
is your Saturday,
It's
man?
good. The more you're aware of it,
Yeah.
the more you're gonna fix it, and it's gonna be okay.
Okay, Arfan. So, how was today?
Today, I feel like I've learned a lot that I would have never learned if I was doing it on my own. Yeah, I realized that I have been saying a lot of meaningless things that would not end up in good conversation. So yeah, I have learned that I have been making a lot of mistakes, which is why that I'm not getting results. Yeah, I'm very happy that I do this subscriber challenge, because if I didn't do it, I would never know that. Even though I have courage to talk to people, I would never know that I'm doing it wrong, you know.
Well, I mean, it's not that you're doing it wrong. It's just that I think like there's still some anxiety, and so I think that it's about you being aware that you're self-anxious, you know. And so like at the end, you're like, oh, I made the same mistake, as if like at the beginning you didn't realize it. But now you realize it. So at least now like you can become more and more self-aware of it, and you know, change it.
Yeah, I'm really glad that I did this challenge, and yeah, everyone should take a part of this challenge to improve your daily life, social life. Yeah.
That's it?
Yeah.
Okay, Arfan, thank you.
Thank you for taking me into this subscriber challenge.
Thank you.
Really.
If you enjoyed the video, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and let me know your thoughts in the comments. As always, my email is ruben@socialanimal.us. So if you want to chat, if you want some coaching, and especially if you want to do the subscriber challenge, shoot me an email. That's it for today. See you next time.